Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. We are studying gravitation. Hope you will be fine. Today we shall study its briefly its another topic, that is free fall. What is free fall? The falling of a body from a height towards the earth under the gravitational force of attraction is called free fall, and such a body is known as freely falling body. Yel te kante object, this is object by pen. Yel earth panas kun lama chhe, yel earth's kun pakan chhe under the influence of gravitational force of attraction, under the force of gravity of earth. At process chhe wana free fall, yel pana ye bun kun ay weset. The that body use earth's kun pakan bun pewan earth's kun attract gasan at chhe wana freely falling body. Go the falling of a body from a height पे earth's kun at chhe wana free fall. The at free fall at body chhe wana freely falling body. So whenever a body falls towards the earth on its own, we say it's under free fall. Ko temek matlab go yelte kante body earth's kun pane pakan pewan chhe temmal is puri motion as karan is one, it's under free fall. It's under free fall. Our earth attracts all bodies which are near to its surface. So when a body is dropped from a height, it falls down the earth. So in earth's prat kun body ko yelte kante cheez earth's kun attract gasan just apna near the surface asan chhe. So when a body is dropped from a height, it falls towards the earth. It was thought heavier objects fall rapidly and lighter objects fall slowly. Gwen tos yam pani sochte scientists wan na heavier objects was agar is coin traun ya kan falls vai jaldi agar is tir traun tat laga chhe time ata se heavier objects was just rapidly jaldi yum luit asa tom chhe laga time. This was however proved wrong by Galileo. Galileo team kar experiment team bud yasa chhe wrong. Your observation assumption chhe wrong. Who dropped two stones of different masses from a top of leaning tower of Pisa. This leaning tower of Pisa, temperature this wood tower temperature stone of different mass. Leaning tower of Pisa, who dropped two stones of different mass. The stones touched the ground at the same time. I dushway koruk touch ground at the same time, although eki height pe time drop karna the was mass different. From this, Galileo concluded that acceleration of an object falling freely towards the earth does not depend on the mass of the object. At observation ke yel hasai ye earth's kun object freely fall gasan chhe ye image ye acceleration yus chhe kota each towards it does not depend on each mass of object depend gasan ki during free fall the heavier objects as well as lighter objects accelerate at the same rate. चाहे ये लुत ٲسۍتن या ये गुब ऑब्जेक्ट ٲسۍتن कम मास ٲسۍتن ज़्यादा ٲسۍتن چھِ گژھان at the same rate of accelerate گژھان. What makes an lighter object like feather to come down slowly is more surface area due to which it experiences more air resistance. तीर अगर इसको त्राउन तथ छ लगा टाइम ज़्यादा सह क्या लगा इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ मास क्योंकि तमिक सरफेस एरिया छ ज़्यादा आसान तो तमिस एयर रेजिस्टेंस वारिया ज़्यादा एयर सहित रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा तवे तमिस थोड़ा टाइम लगा वसनस. This was later verified by Robert Boyle. Tim to Robert Boyle and verify the feather and the coin were put in a tall glass jar and air from the jar was removed by using a vacuum pump. When this jar was inverted, both the feather and the coin fell to the bottom of jar at the same time, showing that in absence of air resistance, all objects fall at the same rate. Im kya kor im kat pat kor im nu ek jar board jar ak niun tat mas nein ak feather tir te be niun kain full te. Im kor im mas air sorry never vacuum side koron vacuum pump side air air resistance ki pat phirun kor invert in which at a time पे जिस पे तीर पे वैसे इस पे ये पे वैसे कहीं फल तथ सहित पे तीर ते वैसे दिया गया और तम मतलब गो इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एयर चाहे लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट ٲسۍتن या हेवियर ऑब्जेक्ट ٲسۍتن एट द सेम रेट एक्सेलरेट गसान rate vary गसान same rate accelerate गसान गो तम मतलब गो it does not depend on the mass of an object चाहे लॉकुड ٲسۍतन या बोड़ ٲسۍतन क्या पे ना यु ये अत मज कर एयर सोरी कोर नेबर पे एट अ टाइम सारी एक्सी टाइम बुन पत्थर. In other words, the acceleration produced in freely falling bodies is same for all bodies and it does not depend on the mass of falling. Go तम मतलब गो acceleration produced in a freely falling body is same for all the bodies, but it should depend upon the mass of falling body. It should तथ पे depend की चाहे लकुर ٲسۍतन ये वो free fall क्या गो free fall गो the falling of an object from a height towards earth on its own under the gravitational force of earth तथ वना free fall. The body which that means falling the body which falls it is called a freely falling body. It can depend the free fall acceleration and a freely falling body it is not depend upon the mass of body. You could verify in Galileo pat ko Robert Boyle. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.